when you're trying to vlog in the car and your kids won't let you, especially the crying infant. What can you do? I don't know. I'm trying to bring Marseille to the mall to go jump for a little bit just to get some of her wiggles out and go pick up her sister. I don't know how this trip is gonna be. Hopefully Arya chills when we get here. She's taking a nap. I know she's sleepy, but you know, we're all on Arya's schedule anyway. So we're gonna see how this goes. Let's go jump. Come on, you ready? Okay, we've paid. Okay, come on. Do you know the way? You know the way. She just left me. There is nobody over here. She has the place all to herself again. Hey, boo-boo. You see your stuff? There you go. Now you're focused. What's the matter? Marseille, hold on. Come here. Marseille, where you going? Come here.
Hi folks, so bye.
Come here. Come here. She's really trying to go play. I'm keeping her from playing. Okay. So we went to Shipley's, not sponsored, and got some donuts and kolaches. And all she wants is the kolache. Why? Come here. Marseille, stop spitting on my camera. Tell them why.
Because I love kolaches.
How come you don't want a donut?
Because I feel like this.
That's how you feel?
Yeah.
Okay, girl, just go play. You should have to cooperate with me at all. See? Mommy's holding you. This is what I have to do because this little girl is so spoiled. I have to walk around and hold her. And it sucks because I don't have my carrier. Marseille, you want some water? Okay. Are you already sweaty?
Mom, we'll go to another place that doesn't have a lot of kids.
Why?
Because
I thought you wanted some friends to play with.
not like these fast friends,
What?
like I want peace and quiet.
That's okay. So you basically want to jump all by yourself.
Well, I want where the tree was. Like where all the cars and all the trees.
What cars and trees?
You'll see. Can we just go?
She has really put her shoes on because she don't want to jump here with kids. Marseille, what are you doing?
I'll put my shoes on so we can go another place. My sister.
So you really don't want to jump here after I done paid $5.
You paid $5?
I did. I paid $5 whole for you to jump here.
What? You're maintaining.
What, Marseille?
I'm in this place.
This is the play place Marseille would rather play at.
So what's hurry up? You leave that here. Mom?
I do have to leave the stroller in here. Marseille, but there's, come here. Marseille, okay, look, but there's kids here. There's still kids here playing.
Maybe
Just like the other place.
maybe I want to go somewhere else. How about?
We're not going inside the arcade. No. There's gonna be kids there too. There's gonna be kids there too.
I want to get in there, please.
No, we're either gonna play here or back with the trampolines and the slide.
I want to play. I just want to play somewhere else like that.
Nope.
Mom, please.
Look at your face. You're so
Please,
cute.
Mommy.
Marseille, what did I say? You sound so ungrateful. Marseille, Why can't you play here or at the trampoline place?
Because I want to go over there.
Okay, but we're not going there today. We could go there a different day. You want to just go home?
No, I want to go over there.
Okay, you need to play here or the trampoline place, or we're gonna go home. Okay. Well, go have fun. It is so funny how she does that. She's mad right now, but watch how quickly she bounces back. She's like super, super resilient.
You don't follow me. You know where I'm gonna hide.
Okay, go ahead.
Can you count? I'm playing hide and seek.
Oh, Mommy's not gonna be that good at hide and seek without your sister here.
Baby, I'll hide.
Marcia, you're so funny.
Can we play hide and seek right now?
Ready, set, action. Okay, good. Okay, the mall has these cookies in here that I really, really want. I believe you call them macarons. Macarons. I think I'm saying that right. I don't want to sound crazy, but I absolutely love these things. So I try to get them when we come to the mall. Not like every time, maybe like every other time we come to the mall, because they're a little expensive. It's like $2 and some change for a cookie this big. Not those cookies. There's so many to choose from. Marcia, you ready to go?
No, I want to use the cafe.
Okay, let's go to the cafe. These things? Hold on, it's not focusing on it. There it goes. Now it's focusing. Anyway, these things are delicious.
Mom.
Are you trying to push Arya? I don't think you're going to be very successful.
Well.
So we're trying to walk and eat these things. They're so good. It's time to go pick up Gigi. Okay. Just let Mommy do it. I'm just going to stop so I can do it.
Mom.
We got to run. We made it to Gigi's school. And there's a spot in the front. Oh, Titi's coming in the car. She's asleep. Yeah, she's sleeping.
I see. Oh, what are you doing?
I'm vlogging. I don't have to put you in the vlog. You're fine. Oh my God. She's like, I don't want to be in the vlog. Okay, so real quick, like I was saying, there's a space where you can park in the front, okay? And for some reason, people just feel like they have to space themselves out so no one else can get in. If you're gonna make a line, just get directly in front of the person that's there. Because Tiffany usually starts the line, okay? So she's like in the back and it's like, okay, pass up one car and kind of ease in, back into the parking space, and we're good. No, people wanna leave these huge gaps so nobody else can get in, because you know there's probably a really small percentage of people who can parallel park, okay?
And you cannot.
Yes, I can. I got in this parking spot. Don't see Tiffany. She tried to do me. No, I got into this parking space. It might have took me a couple of maneuvers, but I got in here with no casualties. Anyway, people should just keep me from having a parallel park, and no one has to worry about this. Anywho, now we're waiting on Gigi. How was school?
It was good.
It's good.
Yeah.
What'd you learn today?
Nothing. So yeah.
Why do we send them to school? They never learn anything. So maybe you'll learn something tomorrow?
No, I think I won't.
She won't learn anything tomorrow either, guys. Why school? Why go to school? I don't know. All the way home now. I don't think Derek's at home yet. We gotta go let Tyson out. Oh, Tyson, I haven't even mentioned Tyson yet. We got a new puppy. We have to show everybody Tyson. We have to do a new puppy vlog.
Wait, don't tell them what kind of dog it is. When we get home, show them and then make them comment down below what kind of dog he is.
All right, I guess we can do comments as to what kind of dog he is. We'll do that. made it back home. Had to take the dog out to go potty. He's running all over the place right now.
Leave it. And he was inside here while we were staying outside.
The kids are playing. Arya, don't move the camera.
How about we kick it back to Gigi, how we pick it?
Okay, sorry about the shaky video, guys. My 6-month-old keeps grabbing my camera.
Tyson! Hey, off. Oh. I'll distract this. Tyson! Ball! No, no! No!
Hi.
Come here.
Hi.
Go get it.
He's up the
No! Daddy! Daddy, look at him! Come back.
Just make sure all the doors are closed. He'll come back down because no one's up there. He doesn't want to be left alone.
Mom, just say hi.
Trying to feed the kids, film, and watch the dog.
Hard.
It's not a good combo.
Mom, say it's hard.
It's hard. The kids are eating pizza.
Hi.
Hi.
And Arya
Does not like bananas.
is eating some bananas. I should have captured her face when I first did this. I'm going to try to do it now.
Again. Right, you gotta catch it.
You don't like bananas?
You don't like bananas?
No.
No.
Aw.
You didn't even make that face when I gave you peas.
Nuh-uh.
And sometimes everyone does it. And sometimes everyone does peas.
Yeah. And I hate peas after all.
She don't like bananas.
Yeah. Well, Mom?
Well, it's not that she doesn't like it. It's just a different taste because she's never had it before.
Well,
So this
we
doesn't
have
taste
banana.
like milk.
Mom, I have banana. I had banana when I was a baby, and I didn't like it. I used to make a face.
You did like bananas.
Yeah, but did I make a face, Mom?
I don't think so. Kind of don't remember.
Me either.
We're gonna try to go to the park after Marseille does her treatment because the dog really needs his exercise.
But we can't take him to the dog park because he didn't get his shot
And we
yet.
can't take him to the dog park because he's still just a little tiny puppy and he has to get all of his vaccinations. And we don't want him to catch any puppy germs. Gigi actually wants you guys to take a look at our puppy and determine what you think his breed is. We will reveal what we believe his breed to be, but it's not like we went and did any true DNA testing or anything like that. Even though I would really like to, so that maybe like later on down the line, but we'll tell you what we think he is, or at least what his papers said, his quote unquote papers at the shelter. They're in the file cabinet. Arya. Arya's papers. What do you want? I'm trying to vlog here. What? What? What do you want? I'm trying to vlog here. Anyway, we're gonna do more serious treatment so we can try to go to the park. Are you gonna do something with these? Here, that can keep them together.
Mom, we can work together.
I don't know if we're gonna make it to the park.
Yeah, it's gonna be like 6 at 9, 8 to be the park.
It's gonna be kind of late.
Yeah.
Maybe we can just take the dog for a walk.
Oh, walk to the park?
No, not to the park. Maybe to the mailbox.
To the mailbox? Park. Come on. Who wants to run? Tyson. Back.
The things under his leg again.
Hold on to him tight, Marseille. Tight. There's a car coming. You give me this. You're making me nervous. Tyson's gonna run out to the street. I think mommy's just gonna hold him. Okay. You got it, Gigi? Tyson is all over the place. Come on, dog.
Hi.
So thanks for hanging out with us today, guys. The girls getting ready to go to bed. Daddy's been working hard at work today. We didn't get a chance to see a lot of him today. Otherwise, he would have been in the vlog. But you guys will catch Daddy on the next vlog. Say hi, Daddy. Hi. Hi. So she said, like, on the last vlog, we were going to give him, like, a shout-out. He was like, did you give me a shout-out on the vlog? Here's your shout-out, Daddy. So, me and Derek will probably do a vlog soon. Like, another couples vlog or something like that. Or maybe, like, a couples challenge. Something fun. We'll figure it out. And we'll post it so you guys can see it. But thanks for hanging out.
Bye.
Hit that.
Bye.
It's not. Wait, we have to go through the whole like. Okay. Make sure you guys hit that thumbs up. Subscribe. Smash the like button. Actually. Yeah. Smash it. Smash it. Hit that subscribe button. Marseille looks like she has a lot of space above her head. I'll probably put it like right there.
Right there.
Somewhere over there, maybe. But hit that subscribe button.
Say goodbye.
We're not taking her all the way out that seat. She can stay right there.
Say goodbye.
Arya's over there to the side.
Say bye.
But anywho, I'm gonna go see if Daddy's done with work. These two are gonna get in the bed, and me and Daddy are going to go watch some TV and have some like.
Hey! Can we watch some TV too?
No, it's bedtime. Me and Daddy are gonna have some quiet time.
But I want
As soon as Arya goes to sleep, because everyone runs on her schedule. Right, Arya? So, anywho, say bye, guys.
Bye.
Bye.